Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use circle to search in Samsung Galaxy A17. If you are using A17 and you want to use circle to search on your screen, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your settings or you can easily manage it from here. You can see there's the navigation button. You just have to keep a long press on it and you will get this type Google screen. You must have to search the logo or the picture which you want to search for, and I'm going to search for this Play Store. Just circle on it. Once you have that, it will automatically detect which one you want to search for. So that's how. If you want to search on anything from your gallery, so open your gallery app and here to select the photo or the video. As I have this one, just keep a long press on your navigation bar and here just select the picture just like that. So from here you can easily get the Google AI overview. So that's how you can easily use circle to search and your Samsung Galaxy A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.